My company and I worked with SynapseIndia to create a custom pricing database for our team to use. Prior to this database, we were working primarily in Excel to store all of our pricing information. While this was functional, it was not the most efficient way to maintain or update our information. So SynapseIndia worked with us to understand what we hope to accomplish with the database, which included increasing efficiency across multiple teams and consolidating our information and integrating the database with other company systems. We are extremely satisfied with SynapseIndia's delivery of the product. They were able to build, test, and help roll out a completely custom database within a matter of months. And that has allowed us to retire our old system completely. And that means that our team is working way more efficiently, and we have streamlined and automated several processes that previously required manual efforts. In addition, the database has allowed us to have additional data visibility, which we did not have before in our old system. So that's been extremely valuable. SynapseIndia have been great to work with. Their customer service was excellent. They were extremely communicative and responsive. We got daily emails back from them, and they included updates to let us know the status of items, and then that allowed us on our end to complete testing, which really kept the project moving, which allowed us to roll that out and complete the project within those few months. They were also very, very flexible to our needs and receptive and worked with our ideas and visions, and that allowed us to have this great workable end product. I was especially impressed with their expertise on the subject, which allowed us to bring some of our more abstract ideas to life, which we weren't previously sure how that was going to happen, but they made it happen, which was great. It's just been a real pleasure working with them, and I look forward to working with them in the future as we are going to begin rolling out some of our additional functions and features that we want to add into our database.